Hey guys, I dropped my cat on the floor once. Not that hard, but I dropped it in the morning once a little bit. Hopefully it's still alright, but yeah, wait for the bus now. I'm going to college obviously, it's Friday. I'm so tired. When I get home I need to publish a day vlog, then publish a shooting station and record a shooting station, and then write some cue cards, and then see what time it is, go in my shower, do all that, see what time it is, and then hopefully film the cue cards. That is the plan. Don't know how it's go, that's the plan. But yeah, hopefully it will go like that. It just, when I get home I'm so tired, I don't bother, but yeah. Nothing much, so go see you at college. So guys, it's lunch now. I know I haven't vlogged in the morning, but yeah, lunch now. And I got myself some chips, because I eat some chips. In Mackey's, these people are eating. Ooh. And guess what? I'm not sure you can hear this. Putting the trap on. I'm being ripped. Okay.
Sophie's a lesbian.
Can you hear it? Well, Ed Sheeran is playing one. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear it. Hey.
I'm gonna stop her again. Sophie, shut up. Sophie, shut up. She gets 3 mornings, she knows this. If she doesn't shut up.
Doing this body flip. And he's done it twice now. It's unfair. I want to do it before him. I think I can do it if I stand up. Let me stand up and do it. I think I can do it if I stand up. I don't know why, but it seems like it. No, it's harder.
The wrong way up. I won't do it. I keep doing it really slow. I don't know why it's bad.
No. It's always close, mine is though. Land it on the lid.
I can't.
Try.
Impossible,
Find out.
Well, if it's impossible, how come I haven't done it?
You didn't land it on the lid.
The lid.
Oh, no, I'm still trying.
I'm too annoying. It was cool. I think you're proving yourself, man.
Okay, one more. I give up.
No, keep trying, keep recording.
I give up. I give up now. Let me do a time lapse.
I'll give you that ball, it didn't fall off.
I didn't get it in shot. I'm sorry. I didn't get it in shot. Okay. Okay. See shot. No.
Oh.
Should be in shot.
You got it. Now. Oh,
I think it's how much.
Good thing we're on the first floor. It's just people below.
No, what? All that rackets.
You're gonna have your hair.
I'll put the last boy there.
No. No.
Yeah. There we go.
No, the different. Oh! 4 times, Alex.
Go on, what is game?
So you can jump in again.
Sorry,
yeah, the Stanley cameo. So, on the block.
1, 2, 3.
I'm doing it too.
Let's try.
I'm just gonna walk in. It's gonna be that.
10 viewers out there.
It's gonna be like that. Whatever your name is.
Fine, you go. We got it on camera.
Again. Ah!
It's that weird little rapture laugh. Oh.
I just did it.
Why then?
I'm doing time lapse. 6. I give up.
You're not gonna do
No.
it.
Finish. I'm not that troll. No. No, stop it. I give up, guys. I bloody give up. I did it once in my whole life and I can't do it again. I've never got it in camera. No, that's it, Aaron. The game is over. The game is over. So you, hold on, you tall, hold on. The game is over. The game is over. Aaron, it's not fun anymore. The game is over, isn't it? Yeah, oh, hold on. The game is over, isn't it, Aaron?
No.
My hair's a mess, I know. I know. They still try and do it. I give up. Swinging forward. Do you think it will happen?
Don't know. Hope it does.
I really do as well. I really do. Come on. Come on. Come on.
She filmed it.
Come on.
Nah, she's just holding the camera out, like talking to it.
Yeah, obviously, a Destiny.
Talking to a camera.
Destiny. Do you think it will happen? I don't think it will happen, you know.
No, I don't think so.
If we put pressure on it, maybe a little pressure on it. Yeah?
What's pressure on?
Yeah? You need to get
Go
it.
back to sleep.
Basically, what I zoomed on, wait for that. Yeah.
You should zoom in your crotch.
No jokes. But yeah. I don't what?
Have you filmed? You think?
1, 2, 3. It's not 1, 2, 3.
You filmed Sophie?
3, 2, 9. Had to remember then. Was it up?
When are we going to do another question?
Don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know.
Maybe not. Maybe not.
No, I said that one person. Maybe. Maybe not.
Sophie, how do you spell Anthony?
You gotta be Zoom shamed now. The shaming Zoom is on.
You spell Callum?
See, there's look, the shaming Zoom has a comment.
From 12 till 12.
My precious. We want him to do that, does that mean?
Because you told us all before you went, or when you wrote it down.
I'm gonna buy.
Oh, you have no idea.
Nah, extra sharp.
Right, let me zoom out. Let's see me zoom in.
We can't trust you with extra sharp.
Oh god, now I've got the scissors. Stand back. Okay,
I
now
bet
we're
you
back.
killed our son too.
Now we're back. But
Right,
anyway,
yeah.
yeah. That's what we were waiting for, but I don't think it will happen.
Spell Callum.
So guys, playing this game, you know it. When I go camping. It's hard when I go camping. I say snake. If you know the rules, you understand. Please try and get it. Think about what you said. Think about.
Not giving us any
Because it's not post.
Start again.
Okay. When I go camping, I'll go bring a sniper.
What the fuck are you talking about?
I've got it. Okay. What is it?
When I go camping, I want to bring a sharpener.
Can't bring that. No, can't bring that. Sorry.
What about pen?
For you, can't bring that. Sorry.
Why?
Do you understand with the game? If you go round,
No, it's
it's obvious. It is obvious.
Say it again. Say
When
it
I
again.
when I go camping, I'll go bring a sniper.
I've got it. When I go camping, I want to bring a kangaroo.
Can't bring that. Sorry, no.
When I go
It's obvious.
When I go camping, I got to bring a tent.
Can't bring that. Sorry, no. You already said that.
So do it again.
When I go camping, I'll go bring a sausage. It's such
Say my ones.
because the only thing I can think of in my head.
Will you?
Oh, I've got it. When I go camping, I'm going to bring
Come on.
a sandwich.
Can't bring that. Sorry, no.
When you go camping, you're going to
No, when you got to say yourself. It's your.
No, that's the rule.
I can't because that's the whole point of the game.
When I go camping, I'm going to bring broccoli.
Can't bring that. No,
Hold
sorry.
on, why can't you tell us the rules?
Because that whole point, you got to find out, and then people who know, they
Then
know.
how do you know the rules?
Because I know the game.
No, but
If you know the game, you know the rules.
So when are you going to tell us?
Do you give up?
Yeah,
Not yet.
You give up? No.
no, give us an example at least.
It's too simple. You know when it's too simple.
So it's obviously not.
It is. Okay, Hannah. Okay, Hannah. When I go camp, so pretend I'm Hannah. When I go camping, I'll go bring
That's alright.
Let me-
I know it, I know it.
Hold on,
I
let me
know it.
think something.
I know it.
I can't
When
think.
I go camping, I'm gonna bring jam.
Yes, you can bring that. You can bring that. Yes, yes, you can bring that.
I've got it. When I go camping, I've got to bring beer.
Can't bring that, so no.
What the hell?
You get it, you get it. Hold on, hold on. Okay. Hold on. Shh, hold on.
I'll bring cheese.
No.
Can't bring that, no. You know what I'm about.
I've got it.
When I go camping, I'm going to bring cocaine.
You can't bring that, sorry. Can't bring that.
What's the rules?
You know it's so simple. It is simple, isn't it though?
So wait, let's do it again.
Sausage.
Okay.
When I go camping, I'm going to bring tea.
Can't bring that, so no.
Sausage, and you go from sausage to jam.
Think about it. It's too simple to explain, isn't it? It's really it's really simple. Hold on.
When I go camping, I'm going to bring eggs.
You can bring that. Yes.
Sausage, jam, and eggs.
It can be. You get what I'm about now. Yes, Ellie.
When I go camping, I'm going to bring my pet elephant.
Can't bring that, sorry, no.
Elephant.
Oh yeah. Elephant, yeah. So I finished college now, guys. I'm with Courtney. Hello, Courtney. Hello. Hello, Courtney. Ha ha ha. And yeah, I'm finished late. Time is like 5. Yes, and I got a headache, and I need a drink. Do you need a drink, Courtney?
Yeah.
What do you want?
I better still have my drink in my bag. There's someone.
Oh
I don't
no.
have my drink in my bag.
It's hectic today, guys. It's hectic. It's really hectic. Look at my eyes. I look so tight. Oh my god. Look at my eyes right now. Look. I'm doing my eyes. I don't need makeup. I just wear this. Literally, it just looks like I'm wearing makeup, doesn't it? Huh? I don't know what's wrong, guys. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah. Travelling home now, guys. So catch you when I get home. And I need to do a station, and I need to upload a day vlog, and I try and do college work, and it won't go as planned, but you know it. Yeah, see you at college. No, I'll see you at home. Go on, Courtney. Devour that, Chris. Come on. Make it sexual. Come on, Courtney. I bet all the viewers like it right now. Oh yes, I like that, don't you, Courtney? Music video shot. I'm trying to get the shot. Music video. I mean, look out the window. Yeah, get that shot. Oh no, what's going to happen now, Courtney? What's that? Guys, she's there. She's not there, she's there. Hi Courtney. Hi. Oh, hi. Hi Sophie. Wait, I hold my camera. Hi. Hi guys. Hi. Get that times that long. Literally, why I'm behind my camera like this? Why? Just why? Courtney mouth stinks of the crisp, so Courtney, please take one. Your mouth stinks. The crisp. Yeah. Yeah. Please, here you go. Please take one. Please. Oh, Courtney. I'll take one, not a whole lot. Take what? Courtney, your breath stinks. Come on. Your breath stinks. He's a good girl. He's a good girl. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, my finger. Anyway, Courtney needed that. Her breath stinks because of the crisp. Yeah. I'm back home now, guys. I need to do Education Station now. Time's 18:17. I've got a scheduled day vlog, right? But for some reason, they're ever on, every time I come home after school, they're ever. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I don't know. I need to do Education Station now, though. I'll figure it out somehow. But I know the day vlog's been late lately. It's my fault I haven't even done it. I forget to end them and all that, like earlier, so yeah. iPad, where's my iPad? There it is. I'll go do Education Station, guys, and get it out the way, and then go jump in the shower. But I need to schedule both of them first. Well, upload them first. Hopefully the Wi-Fi come back on soon and works on my laptop. Because everywhere else is okay, it's just on my laptop playing up anyway. Education Station time. So guys, I'm uploading day vlog right now, and I'm waiting for it. I can't do anything. I need to do Education. I've done Education Station. I also need to upload it as well. I came up here to get my charger, and might as well get charger, open my calendar. So the 9th. Where's the hat? Let's see what joke is this one inside here. Hopefully a good one. It won't be. Who hides in the bakery at Christmas? A mince pie? Getting crap every time now. It's getting more bad every time. Okay. Oh, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. I'm going to do angel wings up. Oh. Hey, chocolate rainbow in there. Nom nom nom. Right. Because after I finish uploading everything, I'm going to go and shower. So I'll see you guys after my shower. Finish my shower now, guys. Where's my iPad?
You just bar washing?
No!
But are you just going to leave everything in
well, it's there.
all on my coach?
It's there. Anyway, I've got some YouTube videos because I've got lots to catch up on. And I'll go have my dinner. My eyes are, oh my god. Anyway, what was I gonna say? What else? Can't remember now. That's great, isn't it? I really can't remember. I've completely forgot what I was gonna say. My eyes though. Like, you know, I had to wear black for a pirate, right? I haven't put it on because I couldn't find it. But I don't need it because look, it does look like I'm wearing black, but I'm not. Weird. But anyway, yeah. I'll go watch some YouTube videos. Got my dinner now, guys. My laptop's playing up.
Nice, tastes
yeah,
nice.
yeah, tastes nice. And I got pizza. Pizza. And that. Okay, calm down, love. Yeah, my laptop Wi-Fi thingy. I don't know. It's playing up. I don't know. Just want to eat pizza. I watch YouTube videos on my iPod until My laptop goes as planned. I don't know what happened with my hair right now, but yeah. Absolutely smashed it. Wi-Fi still not working on my laptop, but absolutely smashing it. So guys, Zoella and Joe Sugg, by the way, they got their merch, but the problem is I've got no money. I want a hoodie, but I haven't got no money. Oh dear, but yeah, I want my eyes. Anyway, I'll go watch some YouTube videos because the Wi-Fi is playing up in my laptop, so I'll go watch it on my iPod. YouTube videos. That's what I'm going to do. I'll go have a short little nap, guys. I'm really tired. I'm 2:21 and I'm really tired, so let me have a short little nap. See how long the nap is. So a short nap turning into a lot times 2.26 in the morning. Yeah, my mouth really hurts. I got some bread. It's soft, but not really soft, but it's soft still. Basically, it's super tree, but not the right correct bread for it. Eat this, watch some YouTube videos, and that. But I got in the vlog now, so I'll go to dinner and go to sleep. So, hope this vlog was fun, and if you enjoy it, and good night. I'll see you tomorrow with my daily vlog. Hopefully I can be a day vlogger, hopefully, and bye. Bye guys.